Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about a NordVPN. Yes, so what is NordVPN? It's the gateway to a secure and private access to the internet. It works by enveloping all of your online activities in a layer of encryption. Yes guys, so technically NordVPN is going to help you hide your personal information, your IP, and protect all your data information. Yes guys, so remember that I'm gonna be dropping my link down below for you guys to obtain a special discount when it comes to registering on NordVPN. Yes, so why would you need a NordVPN when staying at home? It's true that there are fewer threats to your online security if you're using a personal trusted network. However, your privacy is left vulnerable. Browser destinations, internet using apps, and other internet related information is visible to your ISP. By connecting to a NordVPN server, the only footprint left of your activity is that, well, you've connected to one of our servers. Yes, the guys from NordVPN say. In another instance, when are you going to use a NordVPN? When going out? Anytime you stop by a cafe, a library, shop, etc., you're likely to use a publicly available Wi-Fi. These are often targets for hackers who perform attacks such as the infamously known MITM or man in the middle. Yes, in short, it means your connection can become intercepted and manipulated so as to extract sensitive information. Yeah. So in another instance, you are going to use NordVPN when traveling abroad. Although you may be enjoying uninterrupted internet access in your home or country, some governments impose heavy restrictions that can block a myriad of websites and services. Using a VPN can help you avoid these restrictive measures. Additionally, even if you do not face such issues at your point of destination, you may still begin longing for your favorite geo-blocked streaming service. Will help you with this too. Yes, in case you like to see the full features of NordVPN, don't forget that I'm going to be dropping the link down below, guys, for you to check all the features and more information and discounts when it comes to registering or buying a NordVPN service. Yes? So how does it work? In 4 steps. Number 1, download and install the NordVPN app. But first you need to log in or register. Click in the upper right part here. Open an app, then sign up or login. Number 3, connect to a server and check the protected status. And 4, don't. Yes? So guys, I hope you have liked my short review about NordVPN. Remember that NordVPN is going to be protecting your IP, protecting your personal data, and protecting also your location. Those are the main 3 steps that you are going to use a NordVPN for. Yes, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. Sorry, and if you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.